Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to fix screen recorder not working. And now let's dive right in, guys. Now in order to fix the screen recorder not working or lagging on your phone, you will be required to go to the settings of our phone. So open up the settings, and after you land on this, guys, or the settings interface of your phone, scroll down to apps, and again on this interface tap on app management, and over here, guys, let's let it load. Now from over here, guys, at the top right corner of your screen there is a three dotted icon. Tap on over there and it will show the show system option, and by tapping on that we will be able to see the system apps or the default Android app. So from here, guys, we will be required to search for the screen recorder. To do that, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for screen recorder. And you can see, guys, over here there is the screen recording option available for us. Tap on that, and over here, guys, you can see the full stop or the disable button available for us. If your screen recorder is lagging too much, you can either force stop or disable it, but your current work on the screen recorder will get lost, but it will restart. So in order to do that, guys, tap on force stop or disable according to you. Since we are screen recording, will not be doing that because it will cancel our video as well. And with that being done, guys, again, if it does not work, try restarting your phone, and then your screen recorder will be back to normal. And with that being said, guys, this is how you fix screen recorder lagging or not working problem on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.